Looked at Ohio's coronavirus numbers today. You may have been shocked at the spike in deaths. 712 today, which is well above the 21-day average. But for the state, that number was not a surprise.
Yeah, we learned yesterday Ohio undercounted the number of coronavirus deaths by 4,000 people. Jay Jarvis continues our team coverage, digging into what led to this oversight and the steps Ohio is taking to make sure it doesn't happen again.
Ohio's COVID-19 death dashboard reflects just over 12,000 deaths since the beginning of the pandemic. But now the Ohio Department of Health says that number is short by as many as 4,100 deaths.
Our preliminary review indicates that at some point in October, the Bureau of Infectious Diseases began to fall behind.
An employee in the Bureau of Infectious Diseases is responsible for reconciling deaths reported from hospitals, local health districts, and urgent cares, and others coded and reported from death certificates signed by doctors. ODH Director Stephanie McLeod says during the surge in COVID cases during October, November, and December, that employee began to fall behind and didn't notify McLeod or other high-ranking officials. The issue was eventually discovered during a routine employee training. McLeod was told last Tuesday and says she and her team immediately got to work beginning an internal administrative review.
We have restructured the department. We have made some changes within the department. We have brought in additional resources to address the need to get these updated quickly.
Staff members are currently working to manually reconcile those death numbers. McLeod says they won't know the exact number until the process is complete, which they're hoping to finish by next week.
We think that is about the right number. It's possible it's a little higher. It's possible it's a little lower. I don't want them to rush through it in an effort to get it done fast. I want it done right.
And now, as they work to correct their mistake, ODH is also working on regaining trust amongst Ohioans.
It is not acceptable, and we are addressing it so that the public can have confidence in this.
Those death count corrections start today and may show up on the dashboard as soon as tomorrow. ODH says those daily reported death counts will be high over the next couple of days before going back to normal. In Cleveland, Jay Jarvis, News 5.